You everything you need to know about multitasking on Android / your Samsung Galaxy phone here. So simply to be able to do the split screen multitasking, we're going to open up two applications that we want to do split screen multitasking. Let's open up the gallery, open up a picture, let's come out, and then let's go ahead and open up, let's say, our calculator. Alright, so let's back out of that as well. So now we're going to back out, open up our multitasking. How we did that is we're just going to swipe up and kind of hold. And now if we tap the top of that icon right there, open in split screen view, boom. And then it'll show us applications like recent apps or most used apps. So we're going to click that gallery, we were in there, and now you're able to split screen and look at your gallery and, you know, put your calculations in, and you're able to do it like that. We can also adjust the size of each window, which is pretty cool. Let's say there's an application that does not have a split screen multitasking option. So you can see that pops up, but doesn't pop up for Subway Surfer. So we're going to go ahead and fix that. We're going to go into our settings. We're going to scroll down to advanced features. We're going to click on labs and then multi-window for all apps. So we're just going to enable that. So now when we go into here, boom, we have open split screen, and we can do our pop-up for this as well. We'll open up the gallery. Alright, so now it does work. And so if you ever run into that problem, just go ahead and do that. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.